Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be talking about the YouTube end screen outro template. Like I said in one of our tutorials on YouTube end screen, that YouTube end screen can be added to the last 20 seconds of a video, and we can use this to promote other videos, promote your channel and promote other channels as well. So if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our updates. Let's jump into the video. So the first thing, you go to file, go to new, pick up video and theme, set it up to your video resolution, that is 1920 by 1080, that is the full HD format. Set this resolution to 100 or 200, it's not a problem. Allow this one in inches and hit on create. Now the next thing, you will need to go to view, go to guidelines, set the vertical to 50%, go again, do the same. This time set the vertical to 4%, hit OK, and do the other one, but still the vertical, set it at 96%. As you can see, the vertical lines have been shaped, and these are the border that you shouldn't cross, that is the 4% and the 96%. So do same for the horizontal one using the same thing I just showed you. So I'll speed up the process. Go to your tools, select the rectangle tool, just right click and drag so that you have this. Make sure the width don't exceed 624 pixels and the height shouldn't exceed 350 pixels. So I will draw that until I find out that the 624 is on my width, or I just head up to this area, I put the 624, go move on to the height and I put 350. That is all. And now the next thing for me to do, I will just position it this way. I click here and go to the blending options, I choose stroke, I select stroke color, I put red, go to OK, and then put it to something like 13, then I hit OK. This one, the color, I'm going to put it to green so that I can change the green using the chroma key in any of my software without wasting time. I will copy this one by hitting Ctrl J, and I'll also go to the tools and I'll select the ellipse tool. I will make sure it doesn't exceed 298 by 298, that is here. I'll put it 298, and on the other side 298. Blending option, I will choose out glue. I'll set the out glue to white. I increase it, hit on OK. This color I can't also just rapidly change it so that you see how the out glue is going to look like. Now the next thing, you go to text, type a text, maybe thanks for watching. Go to blend mode, hold stroke, I'll set that thing to, I think black is okay by me. I'll reduce it to something like 7. Okay, make sure I position it. But this text can go beyond this line, it's not a problem. And the main thing you have to note are these tools, the rectangles and the ellipse tool we just created. This other text can go beyond these borders, this created outline, these guidelines areas. It's not a problem. So that thanks for watching. Now I'll copy this one from Ctrl J. Exit. So if the color is not interesting, you can as well change the color. If blue is okay or sting yellow is okay. So that is how it's going to look like. Position this one at the center. Make sure you shouldn't touch this one because YouTube end screens don't have to meet each other. Pick the rectangle tool, draw an area like this, set the color to red, pick up a text, and then to type the subscribe. So this round circle will stand for your channel, who is going to call on people to subscribe to your channel. These other 2 boxes are going to call for people to click and look further for more recent videos. So the next thing, you can add something like this, maybe to follow you on Twitter, follow you on Viber, follow you anywhere. So it's quite simple. Instagram, and drop it here, then I'll maintain shift, put it anywhere you want, pick an empty, create something like this, so that this box is going to be your channel or your social media name. Set that color to match the social media logo like this one, so I will choose this color red. I will choose this color red. Let's hit on the red note. I'll add a stroke, I'll add a white stroke to it. At 3 is okay. With the Instagram logo, I'll still add a white stroke to it. Okay, hit on. Okay. So you will do the same for other social media. So I will speed up the process. So now after doing that process, you can as well add a background image like this one. So all you need is simply drag and drop on your video, and then resize it to match up. You don't, and make sure you bring it to layers, arrange, send to back. Select this layer and set it to 50% so that the other layer that is at the bottom can show up. So setting that 50% is going to give you maybe like a mixed up effect, a cool effect. So now we move on to file, go to save as, pick the picture, JPEG picture, set maybe the name outro template. You can export this one as a PNG file with a background. So layers beneath, I'm going to uncheck them. That's why you can find the background. So I'll move on to file, go to save as, and select the PNG format.